Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market we see some important changes that have happened since yesterday. And first of all, the most obvious one is that trend has shifted bullish here. You can see that yes, the market has crossed the MACD predictor line. It means that by MACD indicator trend has shifted bullish. But what more important is that market, in fact, by this action, has erased this ABCD pattern, because you can see the C point of that pattern has been taken out by this action. Finally, it's really significant action to the upside. It's really fast, but still it's obvious that the final solution will come from the data that we will get later in this session. I mean the gross domestic product release for the first quarter and the Fed meeting results. So if we will suggest that this challenge of the gold market to the upside will be confirmed by the dovish comments from the Fed and weak gross domestic product release data, in this case guys, we think that we could get some kind of the butterfly to the upside. It's extension of this swing that could reach 1235 area. So right now we are back into the 1235 destination point that we have discussed previously. So it could be achieved because you can see it stands not really far from the upper band, and in general this seems reasonable target. That could become the nearest target for the upward action. If Fed will not match the expectation of the investors, who expect to see the dovish comments and gross domestic product will be strong, in this case we will return back to the discussion of the 1140, 1130 targets. That's why this will be a different trading plan for the bulls and for the bears. So if you are bearish, you do not need to do anything prior than before the data will be released and before the Fed will come with the statement. Because if this information will be dollar supportive, it's really pretty much room till this moment, and you will be able to take the position even after the data will be released. If you are bullish, that's a bit different question. So as you can see, this thrust up. So if we take a look at the forward time frame chart, we see another bullish signs that take a look at the market has moved through and exceeded this trend lines, our former triangle that has been broken down. Market returned back up, and take a look at even not just return back in some sort of the consolidation, but it's also moved above the both trend lines, because broken through the fib resistance 1205 and left behind the weekly pivots resistance 1. So it's really bullish action. At the same time, you can see that market has formed a reversal swing. So it has broken the tendency of the lower lows and lower highs. Right? So you can see by this action, market has created the high high, and that is breaking the tendency of this downward action. That's why if you're bullish, you could search for the chance for taking the position on some retracement down or this thrust up, because it's very typical for the market when it forms a reversal swing, it shows compounded retracement, some sort of the ABCD action or just deeper retracement to the downside. From that standpoint, you could be interesting with these possible levels. The first level to watch for is 1197, 12 even area, so that is the first confidence support that market could reach in this retracement. And second, that's also possible, we can't exclude it, it's on 1190 area, this deep retracement 618 support of this thrust up. That's also possible that market could form some sort of retracement here before any upward action will continue. If market will raise this thrusting action, return it back down, and taking out of these lows, that will break the bullish setup. This is this upward action, and simultaneously this will destroy the bullish short-term setup, and market return right back down to the bearish one. So that's context for and the setup, the trading plan if you are bullish and you're searching the chance for taking the long. So that's all on the gold market. Now we just all that we could do is just wait for data and for the Fed.